Hey guys, welcome back to the part 3 of sentence construction. I am Salman, your personalized mentor, and you are watching the Grammar Academy. Well, if you have not watched the part 1 and part 2 of this lesson, I have put the links on I button. Please go and have a look. Okay, so before we start, let me tell you something. Do you know what is linguistics or philology? Okay, let me tell you. Linguistics or philology is the study of language. I repeat, linguistics or philology is the study of language. Well, if we compare linguistics of different languages, we can see that the definition of a sentence is flawless in Sanskrit grammar. That means the definition of a sentence that is given in Sanskrit grammar has no flaw. Why the Sanskrit definition of a sentence has no flaw? Let's find out. Well, according to Sanskrit grammar, a sentence must have these three qualities to become a sentence. The first one is aspiration. For example, if we say the dead man is, the aspiration of the listener is not fulfilled because the sentence in itself is incomplete. Hence, the sentence does not qualify to become a sentence, or you may say a good sentence, whatever you can say. The second one is qualification. For example, if we say the dead man is walking, well, we all know that a dead man has no ability to walk. Right? If a dead man walks, we call him a ghost, right? But as we all know, the dead man cannot walk. This sentence also does not qualify to become a sentence. The third quality is proper order. We have learned throughout the course that a sentence must have a proper order to become a good sentence, right? For example, if we say the man dead walking is, this sentence does not convey a proper meaning because this sentence is not formed in proper order. Hence, the meaning of the sentence is not clear to the listener. Hence, the sentence is not qualified to become a sentence. Well, in the new definition of sentence that is given by P.C. Das, these three qualities are present in the phrase the clear meaning. The clear meaning. These three qualities are present in this phrase because if a sentence lacks any of these three qualities, it will not have a clear meaning. Hence, the sentence is considered to be a wrong sentence. What? The sentence will be considered to be a wrong sentence. In the next part of this lesson, we will learn about the subject and predicate of a sentence. Happy learning, guys!